the best cream cheese lasagna recipe. All right, friends, let's get started by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that perfect temperature for a bubbling, delicious lasagna. While that's heating up, I'm going to grab my favorite baking dish and give it a quick spray with cooking oil. You know, this prevents any sticking and makes cleanup so much easier later. Time to get our meat sauce going. I'm browning the ground meat in a large skillet over medium-high heat, breaking it up with my spatula as it cooks. Once you see that beautiful brown color and no pink remains, we're going to pour in our pasta sauce. Give it a good stir and let those flavors start mingling together. Now for my favorite part. Let's make our creamy cheese mixture. In a bowl, we're combining the cream cheese, sour cream, and that wonderful Parmesan cheese. Mix these together until they're smooth and well combined. You want this mixture to be really creamy because it's going to give our lasagna that incredible richness that makes it special. Also, if you want to upgrade your nonstick frying pan, I'll leave mine, which I'm very happy with, in the video description. Here comes the fun part, layering. Start with a bit of meat sauce on the bottom of your dish, then add your noodles. Spread some of that luxurious cream cheese mixture we just made and sprinkle with mozzarella. Keep repeating these layers until you've used everything up, making sure to end with a generous helping of cheese on top. Time for the oven. Cover your dish with foil. This helps everything cook evenly and prevents the top from burning. We're going to let it bake for 45 minutes, then remove that foil and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese on top is perfectly golden and bubbly. The hardest part is waiting, but trust me, it's worth it. Let your lasagna rest for 10 minutes. This helps everything set up nicely so it won't fall apart when you serve it. If you're feeling fancy, sprinkle some fresh parsley on top for that perfect finishing touch. The aroma right now is absolutely incredible.